Hey guys, today I'm here with my monthly favorites video showing you everything that I loved this month. I couldn't tell you what month it is, but I can tell you what products I enjoyed. I did just film a full face of new makeup, so I will have that linked down below if you would like to see how I got this look. In addition to that, everything that I'm wearing on my face is always linked down below. And if you have yet to subscribe, please do so, but let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with a product that I've got on my lips. Let's start with what's on my lips right now, and this is the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip Color. I've talked about these before. I think they're definitely underrated. I did just do an underrated drugstore products video. Didn't include these. I'll put it in the next one and I'll link that video down below. But this shade is in the shade It Girl. I have no lip liner on. I really enjoy this shade. In the video that I just filmed prior to this, I decided to go, this is what I believe to be a cool toned look, at least it is for me, and I wanted to find something to balance out that lip. I didn't love the lip that I ended up with in that video in combination. This gives me some peachiness, a little bit of warmth, but it's not super bright, and most importantly, I love the formula of these satin liquid lipsticks. They feel really comfortable, but they've got really great wear time. They're full of pigment, and Rimmel is one of the better priced products or brands at the drugstore, so if you've overlooked these, it may be time to check it out. The other lip product that I've been loving this month, this is such an easy lip color to just throw on, and I was wearing it in, again, the video that I just talked about. This is the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine lipstick. This one is in the shade Glazed, and similar to their Gloss Bomb, it's just like a really great, easy shade. You don't need a mirror, you don't need to worry about it slipping around or having to touch it up. It doesn't last a really long time on the lips. It does have this kind of slip feel to it. Definitely reminds me of the L'Oreal lipsticks, you know, those ones, along with the YSL, that sort of texture, but very comfortable and not greasy, and I think that this shade is really delightful. If you'd like to see a lip swatch video of the whole collection of them, let me know. I don't know if it's too late. I love a good lip swatch video, so I can talk about them more there and show you all of them on my lips, but this definitely has been one that I'm reaching for the most. On to foundation, I want to give another shout out to the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. Still using this all the time. I really love this foundation. I think it's just phenomenal, and I've reviewed it, I've put it in best of videos, I've put it in favorites, but I think it's really important when I continue to use something months after my excitement and initial hype. I definitely want to bring it up to you again. I'll use this with a sponge with like one pump for really, really light coverage. I'll use it on days where I want something more full coverage and build it up. Sometimes I'll mix it in with my Drunk Elephant de-bronzy for like kind of a bronzy look. It is really, really versatile. The shade match is great in both the foundation and the concealer for me. I love the concealer too, and yeah, I just think it's a phenomenal foundation. Now this product is definitely gimmicky, and I don't love the packaging or their kind of idea behind it, but the actual product itself is so incredibly gorgeous. I was wearing this in my more recent videos. In addition to that, I did use it in an IGTV. If you actually want to see it in action, I put it on both my cheeks and my eyes. And this is the Clarins Twist to Glow Healthy Glow Powder 2-in-1 Eyes and Cheeks in the shade 03 Mandarin Gleam. Now, the way that this works is it's kind of got this like mesh top on it, and you twist it. A couple of things that I don't like about it, even though it's in my favorites video, that means I must love the finished product. But one thing I don't love about it is you twist it, and the idea is to like draw it on your cheeks. This is risky. I didn't have a ton of problems blending it out, but I feel like that's the kind of thing that could go awry, but it does seem to be quite blendable. So you can just put your brush on it or tap it out onto the back of your hand. But again, these are extra steps that I don't love to take. Secondly, I don't like the fact that, and this is kind of maybe just my own user error, but it feels like the type of thing that you should twist to open and to grind it up, but then like twist it back, and no matter which way you twist it, it grinds the product up. Does that make sense? So I feel like every time I've used it, I've accidentally dispersed way more product than I wanted to, because I feel like it's not intuitive that both ways you twist it, it like crunches up the product. But now that I've said a bunch of bad things about it, ultimately I do love it, and I do recommend it because it gives this beautiful orange glowy look. It's got gold in there, but not like a super strong shimmer, no glitter. It just is like summer in a little annoying package, and I loved the look on both my cheeks and my eyes. So you've been warned that it's annoying, but you've been informed that it's also delightful. As you know, I've been doing my nails at home a bunch, and I talked a lot about the Sally Hansen Almond Tan shade. It is amazing, and I've actually been using it with the associated top coat and enjoying it with that as an update. I'm wearing it on my nails right now, but in addition to, I wanted to buy some, I love the look of nude and neon and negative space and kind of these confetti nail polishes that are glitter in a clear base. Now, I wouldn't say that this base is 100% clear, but I love nailpolishcanada.com if you've never shopped on it, if you're Canadian. Really great shipping, good shipping costs. They've got like everything on there, and it's a great website. So I picked up a bunch of different kind of colorful confetti style nail polishes. So this one's the Color Club nail polish in the shade Woodstock or Bust. And I've kind of done a bit of an ombre nail. It's been a little bit of time here, but it's got white glitter, tiny kind of neon yellow glitter, and then bigger neon yellow glitter. And I just really, really enjoy it. And they've got a lot of great nail polishes on there. So I wanted to point that out just in case you were looking for a place to buy nail polishes. They have the brands that aren't as typical. Like, I don't think they have like Sally Hansen or anything, but they've got OPI, Orly, a bunch of different ones, Color Club. And yeah, the prices are good and the shipping is really good as well. So I have been looking quite unglowy for a couple of months. I was talking about this in my Get Ready With Me, but definitely not getting as much sun as I used to, and I just feel better when I'm like a glowy, warm human being. So these are two products that I've been loving and really, really enjoying. I did want to get your recommendations. I have been using the Jergens Natural Glow. I know this is like classic. This is in medium to tan. I wish that brands would do them for deeper skin, but I feel like this is making a difference. You do have to use it consistently. Like, I was not using this consistently, and now that I have been, I've really been seeing a difference every day after the shower. I got an Apple Watch. That's another fave of mine. I'm getting a call. Uno momento. Okay, what was I saying? Back to the Jergens Natural Glow. I do really like it. I find it hydrating. I feel like it is helping me get a little bit of color, but I would love to know if you have other options that you like. I feel like this is working for me, and I do appreciate that it is definitely on the more affordable side because I can see myself repurchasing this over and over, but I would love to know if you have other options. I know there's some drops and things out there, but yeah, really, really enjoying that. Then for my face, I've been loving this. This is the Saint-Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. So generally in my skincare routine, I will use this after my toner, before my serum, and I try to let it sink into my skin as much as possible. It's clear. I spray it all over my face quite haphazardly. I don't take a bunch of care, and I really feel like it is helping me get some glow and a little bit of warmth and depth to my skin, but it by no means looks orange or patchy or anything like that. I feel like it's very, very simple. Like, I've never actually self-tanned or used any products like that, partially because I hate reading instructions, and yeah, I just have never taken the time. But something like this, a clear water, I wanted to give a try. And again, I've used both of these things on and off, but never consistently. And now that I'm using them both consistently, I mean, obviously I'm starting to see results. If you don't use something consistently, you can't expect results, but that's how I am. I'm a full-on human being. But yeah, I have really, really been enjoying this. Then I have a couple of bath items that I've really been enjoying. Normally I'm kind of like a fruity body wash kind of person, but these two products are a little bit deeper and sexier and really enjoyable. So this is the Body Shop Hemp Hydrating Protecting Shower Oil for ultra dry skin, and it's like a body wash, and it foams up. But it's got this really nice hempy but not too hempy scent. It's still quite fresh, and I find it to be really, really hydrating. And I've actually used it as kind of a bubble bath too. Like, you didn't get huge bubbles, but it gave me a little bit of something in my bath. And then this, I got this from Walmart grocery delivery not long ago. Not really a grocery, but this is the Equate Epsom Salt Bath Soak Eucalyptus scented, and oh, the scent on this, like, my bathroom smelled amazing for days after this bath, and it really permeates. Like, when I got the bath itself, like it really, really really was nice. It comes in lavender and eucalyptus and maybe vanilla or something, but the eucalyptus, it smells incredible, and like I said, it left a really nice scent in my bathroom. And I haven't used Epsom salts in a while, but I'm trying to exercise again. As always, what's new? Me trying to exercise again, but doesn't matter, keep trying, who cares? And yeah, I bought this because I was kind of feeling sore and I wanted to relax, and it really gave me like that spa type experience, and it was a pretty good deal too. I think it was under $10 for 2 kilograms. So there you have it. That is everything that I love this month. Be sure to let me know down below what you have been loving. And as always, if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!